So we are going to test Jira software testing tool. So what is Jira? Jira is one of the best open source tools for planning and tracking in agile methodology. Now I would like to report. This is my application. If somebody would like to go for registration or testing demo, then what kind of problem they can face, I'll gonna show. So here I can take a picture or with text, some of text that I can define as a bug or it's a defect. Now I would like to report this defect into Jira. First of all, I would like to take a screenshot of this. I will save it somewhere and selected area. I save it on my desktop. So this is called the capture matching. Now I am to report this bug into Jira. Just go into the Jira and software. So here I have create button. I will go to create a new defect. I will just click on this. Now first of all it's showing like this the project. Now I will explain how will it work. First of all we need to select the project. So I would like to do just one project only, so I will just allocate it just one only. It might be possible to multiple project as usual. So if I would like to do different product, I have to select the different option also as well. I'm just keeping it save. Now issue type. Now I'm going to I'll select on bug. Now next is summary. So we need to fill the summary information. Summary means a basic information about the project or about the bug. The information about bug, minimum number of words. Summaries would be capture is missing on registration page. Here is the summary field. We need to get fill information with minimum number of words, and it should be clearly understand. The sentence will be clear content, understandable line with minimum text. Next step, coming to description, which is very important. In this description we need to describe complete bugs. So I'm gonna write just while testing registration functionality on registration page. We are not getting capture image and text box to enter capture data. So the expected result can be come out like capture image should display user should be allowed to register only after filling correct capture information. So this is my expected value that's I needed actually. So what actually the result can come out? The actual result will be capture is not on the page, user is allowed to register, so it will be without capture. So we can use this option. This highlights the information like this expected I would like to make it bold, then actual I would like to make it bold. Apart from it, this I would like to do a color, random color text. So I'll just select that it will be selected. Now my description is there. So normally when I will write, we need to give details information about this project. So here I just briefly give the information details. So one more thing that I have to do, that's one uh, 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 so step to reproduce. So this step is need to follow. So what kind of step we need to follow? So first of all, we have to go to the application. There is information, like there is showing the URL. So we need to copy the URL and we have to paste here. Step 2, what we have to do, click on registration link on top right corner on the page. So we just keep it 2 stages, but maybe it can be more than 2 3 4 5 as like that. Capture. So here we have the expected result and then actual result it's come out. So expected result and actual result it will be different, and step reproduce it's also it will be a different. I will make it bold, and I will just select, and this is the description field that we need to fill up, and we have to briefly we have to put briefly description and make sure it will be a clear option, it will be clear object. So I'll move on the next step, the priority, which is very important. So tested so we have to decide the priority, the medium, highest. So I will give it the highest priority. So level, I will skip this level. So I'll attach the file that I do screenshot in my desktop. So which one, tasks, and the capture missing. So I just set up the file over here. Then assignment automatic. So assignment it will be use. So I will select the testing world. Then because I'm work on the testing world, so I have to select the testing world. Then epic link. This one is like more not much so important. So we can just leave it, or we can fluff anything like this. So I will just put on the mandatory information that were mostly important. So without fill up this information, we cannot create this one. So this is my defect number FL1 has been created. So one defect is created. So I would like to check it the FLI1. So here it will shows up in the defect. So this is complete information about the defect. So this is the defect that actually I mentioned. So here the label is not filled up because I didn't fill up this section. So this is the system how to report in the Jira, actually how it's work, and what type of information that can gather. And that's all for this information. Thanks.